Hello, seniors on YouTube. I'm excited to share that a step-by-step guide to find the right insurance policy for your final expenses. My name is Lillian Huang, and I am an insurance advisor specializing in help Canadian seniors looking for the best insurance policy to protect your family. And today I'm gonna share a bit of my experience and how to find the right policy. And sometimes it can be very challenging for seniors, and with a few clear steps and you can make the best decision for you and your family. Let's get started. Step number one is all about setting a budget. Think about how much you are comfortably spending on premium each month. And final expense policies are generally affordable, but prices can vary based on your age, the amount of coverage that you want. Having a clear budget will help you narrow down your options. And we always want to find something very comfortably fit into your budget, then reach out to something it's going to be challenge for you. Step number two is to determine the coverage amount you need. Now you have the budget, so you can see how much would that get you the coverage. Typically, final expense policies offer coverage between somewhere from $5,000 to $25,000, which is generally enough to cover funeral costs and other small expenses. So if you have other debts or want to leave a small gift for your loved ones, you might want to consider a higher coverage amount based on your budget. Again, that's very important. So step number three is to decide on the types of policy that best suits your health and needs. Here is where I comes in as an insurance advisor, and there are three main options. So there's simplified issue, guaranteed issue, and traditional insurance. And simplified issue basically is a type of insurance policy that there are health questions on the application, but usually there is no medical exam and nobody will show up at your door and take the blood or urine samples and stuff, and nobody will contact your doctor to get the doctor's report. So guaranteed issue is another kind of insurance, and for this one, usually it is for people who are generally not very healthy already, or let's say if they're going through cancer treatment right now, that they are not going to be qualified for any other insurance but still want to have a policy in place for the family. And for this type of insurance, and there's typically, other than your date of birth, if you're a smoker or not, there is no other health questions asked. And it is a bit more expensive and the third one is traditional policies. This might offer a higher coverage or cheaper like premium, but it really strict on health requirements. So really depends on your situation, and our team will go and find the best policy suit your needs. Next, after all of that we're gonna compare with the providers. As an insurance broker, I search for you with all of the reputable insurance companies with good customer reviews and the clear terms. And some companies specialize in senior insurance, and they might have options specifically tailored for final expense coverage. And finally, review your options carefully. Once you found a policy that fits your budget, coverage needs, and health status, that is the time that you can choose which company to apply. At the same time, if you're working with us, we would send you the plan details while you're waiting for the underwriting with the insurance company. Take the time to read through the policy details, ask questions, and make sure that it aligns with your goals. And I hope this guide makes it easier to choose the right final expense policy for your needs. And if you would like to know specifically what plan you would qualify for, please reach out to me and my team, and we're here to help. And if you have any other questions, please leave in the comment section below. It will help me to create more content around final expense insurance planning for Canadian seniors. So if you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more insights on insurance and financial planning for seniors. Thank you. Bye for now.